Have you ever heard that toothpaste can cure acne? This rumor has been circulating in the beauty world for quite some time, and today we're here to delve into the science behind it. Toothpaste, the everyday essential that promises to keep your teeth sparkling clean. But can it really handle the blemishes that pop up on your skin? The short answer, according to dermatologists and skin experts, is a resounding no. You may wonder why this myth persists. Toothpaste does contain ingredients like baking soda and hydrogen peroxide, which can out pimples. Baking soda, for instance, is a natural exfoliator and can remove dead skin cells. However, it is too harsh for regular use on the skin as it can strip the skin of its natural oils, leaving it dry and irritated. Alcohol, another common ingredient in toothpaste, is a drying agent that can remove the excess oil from your skin, which could help to reduce the size of a pimple. However, similar to baking soda, it can strip the skin of its natural moisture, which can lead to flakiness, redness, and peeling. The harsh reality is that the negatives far outweigh the short-term benefits. Let's break down what happens when toothpaste meets skin. Toothpaste is designed to clean and protect teeth, not skin. Its high alkalinity can disrupt the natural pH balance of your skin. The skin's natural pH is slightly acidic, ranging from 4.5 to 5.5. This pH level is crucial for maintaining the skin's barrier function and its ability to keep moisture in and harmful bacteria out. By disrupting this balance, toothpaste can lead to dryness and potential damage to your skin barrier, which can lead to further breakouts in the future, not fewer. It's also important to remember that toothpaste contains ingredients such as sodium lauryl sulfate, which can be harsh and drying for the skin. These ingredients can cause chemical burns, especially in people with sensitive skin. The American Academy of Dermatology strongly advises against using toothpaste as a skin treatment for these reasons. While toothpaste might seem like a quick fix, using it as a skincare product can lead to long-term skin damage. It's always best to stick to products specifically designed for your skin type. Over-the-counter spot treatments and prescribed medications are generally safer and more effective for treating acne. In conclusion, toothpaste may dry out your pimples in the short term, but it's not a sustainable solution for acne. It can cause severe skin irritation, disrupt your skin's pH balance, and lead to long-term skin damage. Remember, true beauty is about taking care of your body, and that includes your skin. Trust in the science, and stick to skincare products specially formulated for your skin's needs. Because your skin deserves the best, and toothpaste on pimples, well, that's just a myth. In the world of skincare, myths and misconceptions can be incredibly harmful. As we've just discovered, something as seemingly harmless as applying toothpaste to your skin can cause serious damage. That's why it's crucial to get your skincare advice from reputable sources and professionals. Dermatologists spend years studying the science of skin and are the best resource for skincare advice. They can help you understand your skin type and recommend tailored treatments to tackle any skin concerns you might have, including acne. But what if you can't visit a dermatologist? There are plenty of reputable online resources available. Websites like the American Academy of Dermatology offer a wealth of information on various skin conditions and treatments. You can also find dermatologist-approved skincare advice on trusted beauty and health websites. Remember, not all skin is created equal. What works for one person might not work for another. That's why it's always best to consult with a professional before trying out any new skincare remedies. And remember, as tempting as it may be to follow the latest skincare trend or hack you've seen on social media, always do your research and consult with a professional. Your skin deserves the best, and that means proper care and treatment. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more beauty myth-busting content. Let's continue to debunk these myths together and promote skincare based on science, not rumors.